Good morning.
Hey.
So we've spent the last few days working on the kiwi farms in Edgecombe and Watakane.
Which has been a fun, weird, random experience because, the house which we were told we had free accommodation to stay in was, to put it nicely, a bit of a den.
Yeah.
We've kind of slowly made it into a bit of a house.
Yeah. Well, we've been staying in the van anyway, so it's fine. So we've got the weekend off, so we are going to go back to Matamata today via Taronga and stuff, just so we can have some lunch and do some errands, and then we're going to go to...
Back to Hobbiton, but more importantly, we're going to a beer festival at Hobbiton. It's like a combination of the two things in life I like most. Geeky stuff and beer.
Yeah, we weren't expecting to get tickets for it, but ended up getting tickets anyway.
Yeah, it was sold out when we applied, and we were put on a wait list. And then the day after we went to Hobbiton, we got a message being like, "Oh, if you like these, you can buy these." Yeah. So it was like, okay, but no, it should be really good. We go in the evening rather than during the day.
Yeah.
So the actual walking around Hobbiton will be kind of more towards like kind of dusk time. So it should be really nice and pretty. Then we have a bunch of beer to try, and then we have a massive meal, including like a band who will do like interactive songs, and then we'll continue to drink more. It should be good. We're staying at the same place we stayed at last time, Brock's place, because it's the closest accommodation to Hobbiton.
Just so we can walk back, because otherwise there's like literally nowhere. So.
Yeah, you have to pre-book a cab, they were saying, but we were like, we'll walk. It's only like a 25-minute walk or something. It's like a kilometre, but it's not straight.
Yeah, so we're going to go and check that out, and then probably have another day in Rotorua.
Yeah. Come along. Hey.
Hi.
So we've just parked up at Brock's place. We're all ready to go. We're going to get a lift down to Hobbiton, and then we are going to walk around and have a bit of a beer festival.
Yeah.
Should be good. But yeah, still really nice. Really nice view. Plus, this time there's a dog. Who's very cute.
She's very cute.
She's very cute. But yeah, and then at least that couple are here, and the other couple I think are here for it as well.
Yeah.
So if we do have to walk back later,
there'll be a few of us.
There'll be a few of us. Yeah. Beer festival. It's better than going to Hobbiton.
Hobbiton Beer Festival.
What was that?
Hobbiton Beer Festival.
Yeah. Beer fest. Beer fest. Yeah.
They drive through this little cutting, they're teleported back to Otaki, but believe it or not, back to Wellington, and they drive along like a dry stone wall through the course of the forest. They're back here, through the veggie garden, around the party field, and they end up right at the top of the hill, outside of Bilbo's place, the green door, top there. Now, in that scene, you notice...
Where is she? There she is. So you can hear the band. It's been a bit of a quicker tour altogether because I think everyone wants to get to the pub. So I'm glad this isn't the only time we've been here.
I'm glad we've come the other day as well.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. But yeah, it's still good. Taking the scaffolding down.
I know, it's so nice.
So it's much nicer and the evening's properly turned out.
Seems it was going to rain.
Yeah.
One beer. I need a beer.
And Alex didn't realise that this was for Oktoberfest.
No, I didn't.
Hobbiton Oktoberfest.
So this is a beer festival at Hobbiton.
It's both.
Make the connection.
I don't know if we do. And if you're going to have a beer festival, this is the place to have it. Yeah, I always do. Just keep going.
They were like, no, we're going. I mean, because, you know, European vacation.
Yeah. Feast.